If you've ever struggled with dull knives that crush tomatoes instead of slicing them, or you're constantly switching between mismatched blades that just don't feel right, then you already know how frustrating a bad knife setup can be. It slows everything down and, honestly, it takes the fun out of cooking. So today we're looking at the Amorston 15-piece knife set, a full kitchen knife block set that's designed to give you everything you need in one place, without the usual hassle of maintenance or constant sharpening. This is aimed at home cooks who want a reliable, all-in-one upgrade, something that looks clean on the counter, performs well, and doesn't require expert-level care. First impressions are solid. The set comes with a black wooden knife block that feels sturdy and balanced, not too bulky, but substantial enough to stay put on your counter. The knives themselves have a clean, modern look with a polished finish that gives off a slightly premium vibe without being flashy. The handles are designed to be ergonomic, and when you hold them, they feel comfortable and controlled, whether you're doing quick chopping or more precise slicing. Nothing feels awkward or overly heavy, which is important if you're using them daily. The standout design feature here is the built-in sharpener integrated into the knife block. It's one of those things that sounds like a gimmick at first, but in practice, it actually makes a difference. Instead of remembering to sharpen your knives separately or buying additional tools, you can just run the blade through the sharpener before or after use. It simplifies maintenance in a way that's especially helpful for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to deal with extra steps. When it comes to performance, this set does what most home cooks need it to do, and it does it consistently. The blades come reasonably sharp out of the box, and they handle everyday tasks like chopping vegetables, slicing meat, cutting bread, or preparing fruit without much effort. The chef's knife feels like the workhorse here. It's versatile enough for most tasks and easy to control. The serrated bread knife cuts cleanly without tearing, and the smaller utility and paring knives are useful for more detailed work. In real-life use, the balance between the blade and handle is what stands out most. You're not fighting the knife while cutting, and that makes prep work smoother and faster. It's not professional chef-level performance, but it's more than enough for everyday cooking. The steak knives included in the set are also a nice bonus, especially if you like having a consistent look on the dining table. Another practical advantage is that the knives are dishwasher-safe, which is something you don't always see in knife sets. Now, realistically, hand washing is still the best way to extend the life of any knife, but if you occasionally toss them in the dishwasher, they're designed to handle it better than most. That flexibility makes this set more forgiving for busy households. Of course, no product is perfect. While the built-in sharpener is convenient, it's not as precise as using a dedicated sharpening system, so if you're very particular about blade edges, you might still want a separate tool. The steel quality is good for the price, but it's not going to match high-end, individually crafted knives in terms of edge retention or long-term performance. And because it's a full set, you might find yourself using only a few of the knives regularly while the others stay in the block. Compared to other knife sets in this price range, this one stands out mainly for its convenience and completeness. Some cheaper sets cut corners on materials or feel inconsistent across different knives. On the other hand, higher-end brands offer better steel and sharper edges, but they come at a significantly higher cost and often require more maintenance. This set finds a middle ground. It's accessible, practical, and designed for everyday use rather than perfection. So, who is this for? If you're setting up a new kitchen, upgrading from mismatched knives, or just want a simple, all-in-one solution that doesn't require a lot of effort to maintain, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially good for families, beginners, or anyone who values convenience. But if you're a serious cooking enthusiast who cares deeply about precision and top-tier materials, you might prefer investing in individual knives instead. At the end of the day, this is about making cooking easier and more enjoyable without overcomplicating things. And for most people, that's exactly what this set delivers. If you want to check the latest price or see how it compares to other options, you'll find the link in the description below. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.